absolutely amazing. Ayesha curry, you're doing your thing. You're doing your thing. The whole curry as a whole, we are proud of you. So we have the shrimp with miso butter over it. Looks like some crystals, or I don't know. It looks real good. This is our appetizer, and just some type of pie, lettuce, concoction salad. I don't know. It looks interesting. She'll let you know how it tastes. I'll let you know how this tastes. So let us know how it tastes, Jael. What you think?
Really good. That's really good.
Right, try one.
It's like barbecue shrimp.
Okay. So now it's my turn to try it. You see it? Oh my god, it is really good.
So who gets the last piece?
Me. We'll probably know the last piece. I'm calling dibs on it. Super good. Miso shrimp. Thumbs up. Super tasty. The butter on here is amazing. Love like the charred feel that it has. I'll show you the next meal.
So that was some of the best shrimp I've ever had in my life. Like, I don't even like shrimp like that, and that was really good. Yeah.
There you have it. Side exposure. So I have the Vietnamese lemongrass chili ribs. They look absolutely delicious.
Is it like scientifically made?
No, that's actual.
I have the crab
Real
lemon
broccoli.
garlic rice. Looks absolutely amazing. She has a salmon over potatoes. Of course, we got some, what is that? Asparagus. Broccolini, I'm sorry. We have some broccolini. We have the Korean ribs, Korean style ribs. She's still working on her salad. We'll get you her in a minute, but we're about to dig in. Show you everything in between in the scene and something mean. Side exposure. So we got the crab fried rice. Super good. The crab tastes super fresh. I love all the little accents and flavors they have in here. Makes everything just that much better. Super great flavor overall. I like it. Try this rib. Get into it. Let's get into it. You see that? Super tender, fall off the bone. No complaints here, I'm all for it. Try it out. How are yours?
Okay, so first off, we got these fries, and it came with this sauce. I thought it was mustard. It's lemongrass aioli. This junk is good. You know, try it.
That's good. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, let's try these ribs. Ooh, they're so tender.
Everything tastes great. Yeah, so far so good. Yeah, take your time.
How is it? This is good. It's delicious. It's so tender, like it's like it's literally so tender.
It's like plantain and fried onions on top of the ribs. With like a sriracha spicy chili sauce. It's absolutely amazing. Ayesha curry, you're doing your thing. You're doing your thing. The whole curry as a whole, we are proud of you. You know. Even though, you know what I'm saying, the lake, I mean, I was going to say the lake, the way it's moved to San Francisco, it's still town business, you know what I'm saying? So, love y'all, appreciate y'all, love the food, try it out. You know, it is what it is. Savage Exposure. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you like this video, I have some other food related videos, food compilations in Vegas, different food places to try. So make sure you go to my channel and check those